Welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. Making money is hard, but making money online with me is going to be easy and fun. Imagine being able to enjoy yourself while earning money, right? I think that financial freedom really is within reach right now if you're able to make money while having fun, and not to mention passively. With today's strategy, I'm sure you can generate automatic money online with little effort from your end. The only thing you have to do to get it to work is to click on a few buttons on your computer or tap on a few buttons on your mobile device, and that's about all you need to do. I just need your attention and a spark of interest in the next few minutes as I explain to you a brand new method of making money online. The idea of gradually developing a passive income stream sounds exciting, doesn't it? This method is really a blessing because you do not need any technical skills, a huge social media following, and engagements to make it work. You don't have to talk and make videos. Just be present with me in the moment, and you'll be able to soak up all the information that I'll provide. Let's go. But before we do, welcome to Top 4 Earn. You'll learn how to make money online the simple way if you subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video about making money online, you'll get notified and you can start making things happen as soon as possible. We would love you to give this video a huge thumbs up as well. Please leave a comment in the comments section below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video. Now let's get back to the video. I would like you to take a look at sellx.com, which is a free benchmarking tool Amazon sellers can use to find out how to enhance their client experience. After reviewing that information, I encourage you to scroll down the page until you reach the affiliates button just below this section of the page. Once you have clicked on the affiliates button, you will be directed to this page. This is the Amazon affiliate program from Sellx. In order to make a lot of money, we're going to use the affiliate program and advertisement or market to the market you prefer to work with. The opportunity you are getting is huge, and it isn't being talked about much. However, once you are able to earn money from this, it is going to be big money again. It isn't going to take you long to make money. You don't need any technical expertise, you don't need a big following on social media, or engagement, nor do you need to talk or make videos. All you have to do is be present with me, so stay tuned for the next video, which will show you how we can set up this platform so that you can immediately start making money. Let's start by clicking this button to register. Once you click this button, you will be prompted to enter your first name and last name, in order to create your account. Input all the necessary information into the boxes as correctly as possible so that your profile doesn't have many mistakes. After you have filled in all the necessary information, click on this button to complete the registration process. After you create your account, you can secure your own affiliate link. As soon as you get that unique link, head over to bit.ly.com. You can shorten the link here on their platform. Just input your unique link into this box, click on the right button and then boom, the link has been shortened. Shortening your link will make it easier to see and more clickable so that potential customers will be more inclined to click it. If it's great to hear you guys enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll return to the video now. Increasing the number of people who click on that link will lead to more people purchasing your service, and you know what that means: more clicks, more clients will buy your products. It's amazing how simple it is to earn money online using this simple technique. I can't even imagine how much income we can make with this method. It's worth going back to bit.ly.com after you make a lot of purchases. I want you to copy your shortened link, and after that let's go to my favorite social media platform, facebook.com. Now I'm assuming that all of you have your Facebook accounts, right? So here, if you still don't have an account, just click on this button to sign up and make your account. In the search bar of Facebook, after you've successfully created an account or logged in, search for these exact keywords. After finding these keywords, you'll be redirected to this page where you can view all groups related to Amazon sellers. Click this button on the lower left of the page to get started. Once you have filtered and seen all the Amazon seller groups that can help you earn money, you will then have to join each and every one of these groups so you have an increased chance of making money. For example, let's say you join this group right now, and what we are going to do is create a spiel that will promote our products. It is easy to use the done for use field we have, but there is a bonus tip you might not know. We're going to Google to find ourselves a ready-made script for our marketing spiels. On the search bar, we are going to search for marketing scripts template. As soon as Google finds the template you think will make you money, it will just do its magic and provide us with all the information we need. Once you've found the template, you're going to go back to the Facebook groups you joined and copy and paste your spiel, and presto, you'll be making money automatically. Ensure that you include your unique link in your script so that when a prospective client clicks on it, it redirects you to the page where they can purchase the product, and that's about it. In summary, this is going to be an excellent method. Our new online moneymakers have been earning top 4 income for everyone, since you just have to copy and paste some text and sell your unique link with a done-for-you script, and that's all there is to it. Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, like and smash the like button, and see you in the next video.